catch you guys up. So we are currently at my grandma's house, just loaded some things up. But about to leave and head to my old babysitter's house in Raleigh. So we're currently in the car. Say hey, mom. She trying to concentrate. We got some McDonald's. I don't even know where my biscuit is. McDonald's. Mama got a hash brown. We gonna drink some water.
Please drive to highlighted route.
We about to drive the highlighted route.
3701.
And we out. Girl, you gonna start losing the satellite reception? No, but like I was saying, we are still in the car riding to Raleigh. I think we got like 35 minutes left. I'm tired of sitting here, y'all. It's boring, like it's boring. Oh, look at that. I don't got a little accident. Dang.
That's a big accident, hey.
Y'all might have not could have seen that, but it was pretty bad. So I guess I'll see you guys when we get to our destination again.
Hey, we here, hey.
So yeah, we here. It's raining. Donna Summer in the background. We tooting and beeping and all that, and we about to go inside and unload this truck. Donna, you got the hush now, girl. You ain't trying to get no copyright. So we about to go unload all that mess right there in the back, and we guess we'll see y'all when we done. Peace. So back on the road, going home now. I don't know what else to say. Might make an extra stop.
You might need to get that damn phone out my way. That might be what you need to do.
That's all I got for you right now. So, yeah, I might go to Best Buy and the dollar store. If I don't get it from Best Buy, we can go to Target. I think Target's over there. Other than that, I guess we'll see you guys when we get to Target or Best Buy or whatever. We in Best Buy.
No, we ain't. We out of Best Buy.
Okay, we leaving Best Buy. Yep, we are leaving Best Buy. Unboxing coming soon. That's all I got for you guys.
I'm not ready. Thank you.
Mama, Black Panther is old, girl.
No, I'm just saying.
You too.
I'm just saying, just stop by Nanny's house, put the bench in the truck, then we're gonna go eat. Then we're gonna take my thing out. Uncle Don gonna talk about my ass. I'm like, man, we ain't gonna never let you and Mo go nowhere else in my damn truck all damn day.
Well, there's the plane, you guys. We is about to. We just left Best Buy. We went to Target. I mean, we did not go to Target. We went to TJ Maxx and we went to Ross. I was on FaceTime, so I couldn't record that for you. It was boring. We didn't look at anything but some luggage. They had some really cute luggage though. We're gonna get ready to go. I guess I should roll up the window so y'all can hear it, right? It's mine. So I'm getting ready to go. What are we doing now? We're getting ready to go put the bench in the car. So going back to my grandma's house. Eat because I'm hungry. I don't know if she's hungry, but I'm hungry. I had a egg and cheese biscuit at like 1 o'clock.
I had a half bagel like at 9 o'clock.
And a hash brown.
And a hash brown at 11 o'clock. Like that shit, Philly.
I mean, that ain't the point. That's not what we're talking about. And yeah, I guess we'll ride down and get, do what we got to do and do what we got out here doing. All right, bye. So we now at my grandma's house again with a trunk load of shit. We out here get ate up by the mosquitoes. Getting ate up by the mosquitoes. So we get ready to get something to eat. It's time to eat because I'm hungry.
Stop playing.
And I'm hungry. So we about to just do something. No, she didn't.
It's hot. Shit.
Because it was exercising.
That's what I'm saying. Trying to get a little exercise.
She out there running. No break. No break. No sweat now. You just got that hair
You
done.
know what I'm saying?
Oh.
I'll be like a little what?
I need a little silly about that, right? Hold it. A little bit, not a lot of bit though. Alright, so I will see you guys at the restaurant. Okay, so we are now at the restaurant. We are getting ready to order some food. So getting ready to order some food because we're hungry. It's time to eat, so I'll show you guys what we get in a minute. Oh my god. So here is everything. I got a California roll, pan-fried gyoza. My mom got salmon, hibachi salmon, and vegetables, fried rice. Came with salad and the soup that I eat. So I'm gonna just go ahead and show you guys the unboxing of the new camera I got today from Best Buy. I took it out the bag already. So today we got the new, it's not new, it's probably not new, I'm not sure when it came out, but it's new for me. So I got the Canon SX730HS, like it's a power shot camera. So we're gonna go ahead and do the unboxing for you. Alright, so let's open it up. It's like Bluetooth capable, Wi-Fi capable, like all the types of good stuff, you guys. So this is like a little instruction manual. This is the getting started manual. Online photo album. Limited warranty. So all the paper stuff is out, so let's go ahead and open it up. First things that come in the box when you start to open it will be the battery charger. It gives you the option of when it says it's charging and when it is full. And the back has one of these type flipping out type deals. Can you guys see that? As my hand in the way, like you guys, you know. So one of those. Then next is the battery. Just a little lithium battery. The plastic for the battery does tell me like stored in plastic if I think it's gonna come in common with like other metals and whatnot. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the charger to get it 100% full. Like, I just want to see how this looks. Okay, so back to the box. Take out this little compartment here. In here is, this must be the little wrist, where am I going? Must be the little wrist strap it comes with. And this itself is the beauty of the whole box, which is in my shot right now. This is the masterpiece that we've been here for. So this is the Canon SX730HS. So this is just how it looks in here in the back. This is it in the front, obviously. So from the top, let's look at the top. It's the record button, shutter button. This is how you zoom in and zoom out. Power button. This here is the speaker, so the microphone for like audio. This is the flash, and this is also, you know, the menu options to change from like photos and what else? Photo, TV, your input, all types of stuff is right here. So on the back, obviously, you know, your standard up, down, right, left button. OK button is here in the middle. This is, what button is that? This must be the Wi-Fi button or Bluetooth button. The enlarge button, playback, and the menu button. So here, if the camera is facing away, this is the right side. There is the USB port, HDMI port, where you put the wrist strap I showed you guys earlier. Just a screw here. Onto the bottom, if we keep going the same direction. This here is where you put your tripod. This is obviously where you put your battery and SD card. It is locked currently right now. Opening. There is my SD card, that blue chip, and the battery will go here in the front, but it's currently on the charger. Oh, now I can't lock it. Oh, there we go. And if I keep rotating, the only thing on this side is the flash pop-up. As you can see, that's what it looked like with the flash. And also, so back to the back, as you guys can see, the screen here flips completely up. So it will look like this, which I'm very excited about because that's really what I wanted. I wanted a screen. I kind of wanted a camera with a screen that flipped up. So I'm very, very excited about this. And this, when you turn it on, actually opens up here, and then this comes out. So like I said, since I have the battery charging, this is what it'll look like completely open. So I'm very excited about this. Obviously, you guys know I'm about to put everything back in the box. I'm going to let the camera, the battery, fully charge before I really start trying to like use it and start filming. This camera is going to be used a hell of a lot. So, yeah, pretty excited about that. Now I'm going to put everything back in the box. So that's what all the noise you guys hear right now. Me shifting the box around to get everything back in it that came in it. That is what is in there. Putting all my papers back. You never know what is important, so I like to keep everything, especially a warranty. Everybody knows the warranties are important if anything happens to anything. Limited or not, get a warranty. So that concludes the unboxing for the new Canon camera. We are back home, and I'm kind of there's Mocha, y'all. Okay, don't like her either. I'm okay. I'm just kidding. She's okay. But anyways, kind of like I said, we're back home, done running around for the day.
Jesus.
Finally think I'm just gonna go ahead and close this vlog out for today. A new video will be up this coming Monday, and I guess I'll see you guys in the next video. The next video.